First snake of the night. A fatty little banded. Nice. Oh, he's gonna be a meanie. You wanna just get him off the road?
I'd rather not get bit by a new rodeo tonight. Woo! Move your body from here. Oh, gotcha.
You got you?
Yeah, just right there in the nose. Baby girl. Oh,
look at you wrangling snakes.
Oh,
musking all over you.
Oh, he bites. Alright, that was funny.
Where's that front pile? Oh, look, a firefly. What firefly?
On the other hand.
Just let him go.
On the other hand.
Is he cold around you that tight? Ah, boy. Awesome. Well, not too long into our drive and got a snake. Can't complain about that. How's your hand?
That's fine. He barely bit in.
Barely got you.
Yeah.
Nice. Second snake of the night. We got ourselves a little cottonmouth. Oh, that's a nice healthy looking one. Whew. Hey, beautiful. You loving that warmth on that road, aren't you? You're slowly, he's just like slowly moving. Nice. Gonna get him out of the road. Moving. Beautiful snake. Just pushing them off the road. Thanks, bud. We appreciate it. Well, snake number 2, and that's like 2 seconds down the road from that last one. Find our first live one the other night. And now we got our second live one. Is that a car coming? Here, get in the car. Let's pull over. You want to hold him? Yeah. So, we never find a live one until the other day when we went to the Everglades. And now we find our first live one back home. Again, beautiful snakes.
Look at iridescent.
That is a beautiful snake. We saw one dead on this road last time we were on it. And it was about at the same spot too. It was like right as we started on this road. So it's nice to see another one alive. Oh, beautiful snake. Gosh, they're so pretty.
Got that beautiful iridescent. This one's a lot, it has more of like the fading.
Yeah.
The other one was much more green. It's definitely more of a brown. Like the
you can definitely see why they call them striped.
Yeah. Look at that. The camera won't ever do it justice.
I'm getting some good shines on this though, for sure. Oh yeah, you can see it shining.
Even on the head.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that face.
Hey, derpy derp. Awesome. That is awesome to see. And he was going this way. No, I thought there was a car back there, but it went straight. It didn't turn. That's awesome to see. Cool. So that's 3 snakes now. We saw a dead neonate Eastern Diamondback on the road earlier, but hey, I can't complain about the way tonight's going. How do you like, this late summer herping?
A lot of mosquitoes.
A lot of mosquitoes.
So many mosquitoes. I thought since we left the Everglades, we wouldn't see like any here. We come here and we have about 1,000 in the car. But definitely worth it to see this guy.
Yeah,
especially here.
Yeah, especially at home.
In our special secret spot.
Special secret spot. That's beautiful. And hopefully there's not going to be as many cars on this road.
Take some photos.
Yeah, for sure. All right, release of this guy. He was going this way, so.
Still chill.
Yeah, let him do his thing. He's good. Awesome. Let's keep on cruising. What is this? Oh, a little baby banded. Microscopic baby banded.
Oh.
Just born baby banded. We were literally looking at every single little twig we find, and we're like, oh, is this a snake? Is this a snake? Is this a snake? And sure enough, this twig was. That's funny.
It's fine.
This is a couple seconds up the road from where we just saw that swamp snake.
Just a little thing.
Just a little baby. Tiny little baby. Awesome. Well, let's get him in the grass again and get back to cruising. Those are all sand spurs. Just be careful. Awesome. Let's get some more. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let us know in the comment section the type of things you would like to see from this channel. Yeah, we'll see you in the next video.